and are able to have some fun with your TRX-100.
Sketchy.